वेलकम बैक टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं हार्डनिंग डिफॉल्ट जीके क्लस्टर कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस। फर्स्ट क्विक स्टार्ट लैब। नेक्स्ट हम इसे एक इनकॉग्निटो विंडो में ओपन करेंगे। क्लिक अंडरस्टैंड। क्लिक आई एग्री एंड कंटिन्यू। देन हम यहाँ से ट्यूटोरियल को क्लोज करेंगे बाय क्लिकिंग लीव। एस ट्यूटोरियल ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे खुला हुआ है। ऑन टू द टास्क वन। हमें कुछ कमांड्स रन करने हैं जिसके लिए हम यहाँ से क्लाउड शेल को एक्टिवेट करेंगे बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस आइकन। क्लिक कंटिन्यू। क्लिक ऑथराइज। नेक्स्ट क्लाउड शेल के खुलने के बाद हम यहाँ पे दिए गए कमांड्स को रन करेंगे ताकि हमारा जोन सेट हो जाए एंड देन इस कमांड को रन करेंगे। कमांड के कंप्लीट हो जाने के बाद हम यहाँ वापस आएंगे लैब में एंड वी विल रन दिस कमांड to check the installed version of Kubernetes. It is here. Next, we can see our running codes in the cloud console by going to the VM instances. Click check my progress and it is completed. Next, copy this command, paste it here and click enter to run it. After this command is complete, we should now check that we should have a bash shell inside the pods container. Let's check. It didn't work, so we will run this again. Okay, it already exists. Next, run this command. Keep running the commands in the given sequence. All right. copy this. It is all showing error. Next, we have to run this here. Click enter, dismiss, and run this command. And we got the pod and it is running. Check my progress. It may take some time to update, so you can ignore it. On to the next commands. Keep running them in sequence. Now run this command. Now we can do all these things. So now we have to do exit twice. Type exit, enter, then exit from this again, and we are back. We can delete the host path pod. Let's go back to this, check my progress, and it is completed. Next, we have to create the second node pool. So copy this, paste it here. After this command is completed, come back to this lab, click check my progress, and it is completed. Now on to the task 6, we have to run this command. Now after this command is complete, as you can see it is deleted. We were timed out, so we have to run the command again. The object is being deleted and the pod is already exists. So come back here. Now we will run this command. Next, it didn't work. So we will try again. Alright, now we will exit it. Now onto the task segment. Copy this, paste it here. Now इस कमांड के कंप्लीट हो जाने के बाद हमें यहाँ वापस आना है. Now run this command. Next, run this command. This will help you create a cluster rule. And then you will run this command. Copy this and paste it here. Click enter. And then come back here. Then you have to check my progress and move on to the next task. So click check my progress. It is not complete yet. may take some time to update. So on to the task 8, the last one. You have to create a demo developer service account. It is created. Next, you have to run these commands in sequence. This will create the keys. This to activate the service account. And this to get the credentials. Yes, next, copy this, run this here, and we got an error. Ignore it as we already wanted it. Now run this command and it is completed. Now click check my progress. It may take some time to update. So go back to this one, click check my progress and it is completed. Same way, this check my progress will also be completed. So try again, wait for it for some time and keep trying. And it is completed. Now congratulations, the lab is complete. You can end this lab, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. You can just simply click end lab